This is just a quick video on how to clean crabs. So this is a little feisty guy. But first you just split that open right there. Grab that, and then you reach down, and you have a very sharp blade and a stiff one, and you just cut down like that. That'll kill them. Okay? And you just grab the legs, kind of twist and pull, and those legs come off. And you twist and pull on this one, the legs come off there. Now you got this gray stuff, brownish gray. Those are the gills, so you just want to get rid of that. You're just gonna pull all that off. This is, if you're able to see that on the camera, that's the mouthpiece that you just pull off. And in here, anything that's not white or clearish, just remove. So that's just guts right there. So you just want to get rid of that. Just throw it into the carcass, and right there. I'll wash that a little bit better later, but as you can see, there's not much in there anymore. It's just nice, clean meat, and you can just throw that in a pot and it's ready to cook. So yet again, you want to pull off the gills, because the gills are no good to eat. At least if you're like me, you don't like them. You just want to pull that off. You want to flip it over. This one's actually really clean, and you just get rid of the stuff that's not nice white flesh, and then that's it. So that is how to clean a crab.